This free tutorial will show you on how to export an alpha channel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, assuming you have your video clip on the video timeline and you want to export this as an alpha channel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, go to the top left hand screen and click Effects. First, we're going to apply a color key. Underneath keying, click and drag the color key on your video clip. Go to Effect Controls, click the eyedropper tool. Click the color green so it removes the background. Go back and click color key, and under color tolerance drag this to the right. Now in order to export this as an alpha channel, so we just have the video clip, make sure you add an in point by clicking I or Control I on your keyboard and go to the end of the video clip and click O or Control O on your keyboard and you can adjust this. Now you want to click Control plus M on your keyboard to export the video. Under the export settings, this is how you can export this as an alpha channel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Underneath the Format tab, click the drop down arrow and scroll down until you see the option on the bottom hand screen, QuickTime. And underneath the preset, you want to also click the drop down arrow and scroll down until you see the option GoPro Signform RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth, because this will export your video at the best quality instead of just the alpha. And underneath the video tab, you can scroll down and you can adjust the video quality by dragging this to the right so it's the maximum video quality, and then click Q or export. And then on your computer, PC, or laptop device, locate the alpha channel video that you currently exported. And now if you were to drag this in Adobe Premiere Pro CC and you drag it on your video timeline, you have now successfully exported an alpha video channel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.